a really nice place, you know. This is one of your getaway spots.
Kinda. I mean, sometimes I'm more like alone time. I just come here and breathe out.
This is really nice. You know, I believe we should do this more often.
Kev,
I love when you call me Kev.
you realize that almost 15 years since this was a thing, right? You never have no girlfriend, no wife, no baby mother, nothing in between. Cause why you feel so strongly same way about me and you?
So, don't you feel the same way?
I did when we were like 15 and 17. You know, realize how much time passed. I couldn't. And I,
So, Patsy, wouldn't you like to return to that innocence, that pure feeling we had for each other?
Well,
Listen,
it's when you.
let me explain something to you. See, yes, I've had other females, you know, and I've met a lot of females, but none of them has ever matched up to you. It's like I can't seem to find another Patsy.
Kev, you're not supposed to look for another
Hold
person.
on. Wait there 1 minute. You see the way you drank the drink just now? It reminded me so much of back in the days when you used to drink that DNG club soda and it used to run down your nose.
You remember that? Oh, you remember that?
How can I forget?
Kev, hold on. What you want? Is closure you want? What you want from this? Cause me not sure me understand. Me not know me I pick up if it makes sense, but what you want?
I want us to go back to where we were.
But that can't happen, Kev. That was the past. Me go one way, and then you go the next.
No, we didn't. We were torn apart by your mother.
I keep looking for it. Hey Chris, Wagwan. When we did message you the other day, I asked you if everything alright with you and Patsy. I just saw to make mask, you know. I know you check for her and she claims that she love you, but she make some move where me not like. I have two brother and I wouldn't want nobody. Actually, no woman treat them certain way.
Listen, I know things never go the way it's supposed to go, and I'm sorry. I wish me did do more. But Kev, we did young, you know.
Why you never defend him? Why you never tell your mother that that wasn't the case?
Kev, I try. I'm trying now. I do everything I could have do in at the moment. But woman say if I say nothing, she can make me go to prison. You understand me never want that to happen. You know, so the woman has sent me all the way to foreign to show you how serious it was. I did what I could and I'm sorry.
Don't get me wrong, you know. Patsy, I'm a friend. I'm a rater. But I must can tell her where she a go wrong. You seem to be a nice guy. And I don't think you deserve what she a do to you. I know you must have wonder where me a talk about. So let me tell you.
But you say you love me. And if you really love me, you could have fought for me. But you leave me. You did all of that. Don't you think it's time you fix things?
Yeah, I know that me I try don't know. Me I try fix it.
Oh, so that means we are going to back?
No, I never said that, sir. Come on, I know that I mean.
But you say you don't go fix things.
Yeah, like for close it off, you know, so we can have an understanding because you never have so, and you never this so, you get what I'm saying?
The other day, I see a youth come here and look for her and say, she say her school friend, her old school friend. Mm. But to me, it looked like more than that. And since night, him come back again and the two of them live together. But none of my business, you know. But like I say, I have two brothers. I don't want no woman take them for idiots.
So let me understand this. Why did you bring me here? Isn't it to let us start afresh? A new relationship?
Kev, I feel like when I say I get shoot you, alright. I have a man, me in a relationship, I love him. You understand?
Love? So you can love two people at the same time?